Okay, in this video, we are going to look at Storyline's Lightbox feature and why you would want to use it. So the Lightbox feature, we use that in the solution design training here to open up the tablet. So when we click here and we
You can explore the course using the tablet.
select this, you can
Shown are
see
the
that
course modules.
it opens
You
up the
can push
tablet.
the button to return.
So you can see it opens up a what looks like another window on top of the window we were originally on. So the nice thing with a light box is that you don't lose focus on your original slide. So once I close this, um, they refer to this as the light box. So this box that opens up and you can see the slide within it. So when I close this light box, we're back on our original slide, so we don't lose the focus. So other ways that solve that problem is they'll pop up a window or they'll take you to a new window, but you leave the window that you were on. So you end up having to navigate back to that. And so it's not the best user experience. Whereas with a Lightbox slide, you can just open that window. You can get the information you need to out of that window and then close it back up. We use it in a few other places in the solution design course. So like for just-in-time information where for the score, if we want
Between
to
100 to 500
tell people
bonus
about the
points.
score and
Your
how that
bonus
works,
points are based on the customer's
we
satisfaction
can open
and
this up
how well you answered the.
and then close it. Also for the student guide, we have that on a light boxed slide, so they can click that and download. So that's how it works and what it looks like. Let's look behind the scenes at how we have that set up. So when we look at our stories and how we have it set up, we have our main module right here. This is the one where we're clicking through that. The slides that we pull into this main slide through the Lightbox feature, we have the tablet right here, and that tablet actually pulls in these module slides right here. We also have the student guide, which we looked at right there. And then we also have like information on the course right here. And so they're their own individual slides within the storyline training. But through that Lightbox feature, it lets you pull them up when a student is on the slide. It'll let them pull that up and still be able to access that information. Okay, so let's look at how we set up a Lightbox. So in the example of the tablet, how we have that, we've got the icon right here that the user will click on. So when we select that, we can see over here that we have a trigger associated with it. So I'm going to move this down here. You can see we've got it showing a certain layer, but we also have right here, we'll click on this so you can see it, is the trigger to do the Lightbox. So the action is Lightbox slide. So you can see Lightbox slide right here. You can choose to either show the navigation controls for the slide or to not show navigation controls. I'm leaving it unchecked. Slide, you select the slide that you want to show within that Lightbox slide right here. We've got the slide, the training cert tablet slide. And when the user clicks, and object is the tablet button. So as we drop this down and we move over the items, you can see right here, tablet button 1 is what we have selected, and we select OK. And so now when the user clicks on that button, it will open that slide within another window without losing focus on the main window. Okay, I hope that's helped. Thank you.